Do you need a light when you get home at night? Fed up of stumbling around in the dark? You need Swivel Bright, the motion-activated super bright LED light that'll keep you safe and light up your life. Use Swivel Bright for lighting up darkened doorways and dingy entrances, illuminate gardens and pathways. It's so versatile and so easy. Swivel Bright fits almost any surface in seconds. To use, simply mount the base. The 3M adhesive pad bonds to a variety of surfaces and is quick and easy. The base is also magnetic and so sticks to any metal surface. For a more permanent fixing, simply use the screw mount provided. Once the base is secure, attach the main body of the unit to the base. Swivel Bright magnetically sticks to the base and can rotate through 360 degrees, allowing you to shine the powerful LED beam anywhere. The secret lies in the 16 powerful micro LEDs that use state-of-the-art technology. Consuming the minimum amount of power, batteries now last longer than in many other lights and are so easy to fit. Simply unscrew the back of the light and fit the batteries, observing the correct polarities. Refit the back and you're ready to go. Use it indoors to light up cloakrooms, under the stairs, loft spaces and much more. And if you need to, simply lift Swivel Bright from the base and use it like a normal torch. Swivel Bright really is the go-anywhere light. Use the weather-resistant 3M sticky pad to light up any outdoor space. The perfect light for a garage or shed. You won't need to call in the electrician. Swivel Bright fits in seconds and swivels to shine light just where you need it. Light up your driveway and see easily when getting into your car. When you need more light, choose Swivel Bright, the fully rotating, easy to fit, super bright, powerful LED motion sensor light from Creative Products. Take one or more to the checkout now.